just arrived at our destination, which is selling. We are selling today, and these are the people who are going. Me, Celine, and Mommy.
Good morning. Oh, guys, look at this. My goodness.
Hi guys, Mama just finished work, so Mommy's just packing. Busy Mommy. That's all she's packed in there. Oh, wrong way. So we are very happy. So we're just going home now because we have to drop everything off, and then we'll be going to Sushi Edo. And after Sushi Edo, we are going to be going to Kmart.
Oh, did you do it yourself, eh? Yeah. Oh my god, you're so strong.
I'm stronger.
Okay, help the other one. Ate, do the other side, then you move to the other side.
Alright.
Here. Do the other side. Alrighty. Oh, guys. Good job, lady. Done really well. Yes.
Look, my man. Alright, this is just blue. This is just blue. I was just joking.
Thank you so much for helping. Thank you. Drink water? Alright, Ate. Let's go in the car. Sa parking na kami, guys, dito sa baba. Sa basement kami nag-park para tingnan nyo, elevator, tapos nandyan lang yung sasakyan. Time check is 12:24. Oh my god, guys. It's so tiring, as you can imagine, guys, having these two with me. But it's all worth it. We made sound today, so I'm very happy. Anak, be careful na. Anak, we'll put this in the car first before we pay the ticket. Okay.
I win.
Let's go.
Good baby, Celine. How are you? How are you? How are you, Celine? So guys, we just arrived at home. So we're just going upstairs.
A few moments later.
So, na-drop na namin sa bahay, guys, yung mga gamit natin, yung mga pambenta natin. So, now we are heading to... Where are we going?
Sushi Edo.
Gusto nilang kumain ng sushi edo for lunch, guys. So, sushi. And, kanina, tulog si Baby Celine nung pagka-uwi namin, guys. Sabi ko, i-drop na lang namin yung mga bagay-bagay dito sa bahay para walang laman yung sasakyan kapag kumain kami doon sa labas. Kasi, it's very dangerous kapag iniwan mo yung mga, yung mga valuable items sa loob ng sasakyan. People can break in anytime. So, yeah, that's where we're going now. And, my God, guys, alam niyo ba? I think, like, hindi lang ako yung mga kids din for sure.
Mama?
Kasi maaga yan silang nagising kanina.
Did you change your pants?
Yes.
Mama, my money.
Ay, your money is here. Your money is here. Sakit ng ulo ko, guys. Buti na lang itong dalawa, guys. Kinausap ko sila kagabi. Sabi ko na ito yung gagawin natin bukas. Isasama ko kayo magtinda. Kasi nga, si Daddy Mike nasa Melbourne pa. Si Daddy Mike hindi uwi hanggang ngayong gabi. Sobrang hassle kasi nga wala siya, tapos nandito yung dalawang mga kids at walang magbabantay. So it means kailangan ko talaga silang dalhin. I know you might be wondering why, like, bakit binook na ganyan and very inconvenient, diba? Ito kasing booking na to, guys, binook ni Daddy Mike before nangyari yung aksidente sa paa niya. And then, after that, nung na-aksidente siya, kailangan niyang i-move. And then, nung hindi pa niya pwedeng magtinda, minove ulit. So, hindi na namin pwedeng i-move kasi it's too much, napadrama, parang mahihiya na kami. And then, sabi ni Daddy Mike sa akin, you don't need to go. Like, kasi nga sabi ko, I have to pack the bags. Alam niyo ba, hindi ako nag-vlog since nung umalis si Daddy Mike, kasi as you can imagine, sobrang busy ng life, guys, with the 2 kids at ako lang mag-isa. And last night nag-pack kami, and then yung mga kids, dinala ko sila sa garage, guys. After ng dinner, dinala ko sa garage. Lang sila, panood ko sila ng sa phone while I was packing and everything, kasi hindi ko sila maiiwan sa loob ng bahay na sila lang, diba? So, kailangan ko talaga silang dalhin. And then, yeah, they're very good girls. Sinabihan ko sila na ganito nga, maaga tayo bukas, no, ganyan. So, this morning, nung ginising ko sila, walang issue, guys. Like, gumising sila kasi kinausap ko sila kagabi na ito yung plano namin today. So, yeah, they've been really, really good. So, they deserve to go to Sushi Edo. And, guys, alam niyo, nakapahirap din kasi yung mga luggages na ginagamit ko pag nagbebenta ako, dala lahat ni Daddy Mike. So, kailangan namin gumamit ng mga yung plastic storage kasi wala kaming ibang bagahe. So, it was, extra hassle. But anyways, like what I said earlier, it's really tiring. It's really tiring. But at the same time, it's fulfilling, satisfying for me because this is something that I really want to do. And sobrang saya ko, guys, kasi we made sales. And now, like, we'll be able to go, like, take the kids to eat sushi. And then I can take the kids to look for toys kasi, they really deserve it.
Mama, I'm not looking toys.
You're not looking toys?
Yeah, I'm not like buying one.
You're buying one? Oh, okay. Hindi pala siya mag-looking, guys. You're buying.
And Mama,
So, yeah.
I'm not gonna buy a book.
You're not gonna buy a book? What are you buying?
I'm gonna buy a toy.
A toy?
Yeah, a book is not a toy.
Okay, alright.
Okay,
Fair enough. Fair enough. And then, one more thing. So, may bibili ng bag, guys. And then, instead of like, today, gusto niyang pumunta today. Instead of like waiting around for her, sabi ko, kailangan kong dalhin yung mga kids outside kasi nakakain kami sa labas. I told her I'll bring the bag with me. Tapos, if you're in the area, just let me know. we'll just meet somewhere. So, grabe ka-intense talaga yung buhay, tindera. Ay, buhay tindera si mami niya talaga, guys. Grabe. So, kailangan i-manage talaga yung time kasi, you really have to. It's very important talaga yung time management pagdating sa mga ito, guys. You being a mom at the same time, like you want to make a business of your own, you know what I mean? Yeah, anyways, that's all I want to say. We are going to leave now. Ready, girls?
Yes.
Kailangan, just Lord, 17 kilometers na lang ang naiwan sa aming, gasolina. So, kailangan namin maglagay ng, petrol. We're here. Ayan, Sushi Edo. So, it's only like, 5 minutes na? 5 minutes drive from our place. Buti na lang open. Akala ko close. Excited, girls?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What are you having, Ning Ning? What flavor?
The little one.
The yellow one? The egg? Oh, how about you, Ate?
Teriyaki chicken.
Yum.
Okay,
Alright, can you help Pliny with the seatbelt, please? Oh. You okay? Okay. Gutom na, Juday? Hello. Look. You want anything from there?
I want a drink.
Huh?
I want a drink. I want water.
Get the thing lang. Wait until it comes back, Ate.
Water.
Oh, okay, water. Yeah.
I don't
Oh, look.
Yep.
Yep. And then just add. Thank you.
This one.
Yep. And
For
then
water, if you want a tendon, just press that.
there's my food. It looks so yummy, guys. Especially kasi gutom na gutom si mami nyo. Beef, yum.
This is I can make the nose. See? Look.
Show me, Ate.
Auntie, look.
Looks good.
Auntie, look. Auntie, look at mine.
Yay! Alrighty. Bon appetit. Kain muna kami, guys.
A few moments later.
So I like him. I want this one.
Really? What's this one? Ah, yeah. Oh, that's nice. Fairy bubble wand.
Celine, you've had that thousands of times and
Yeah.
you keep losing. Because Auntie, I was just going to buy it. But if I don't want it, like, I'm selling it.
Alrighty. Yeah.
Jump off a truck.
Okay. You want this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Great choice. Okay, hold this one so we can go pay. Alright, we'll just wait for Ate, okay? Ate's turn. Ate, what would you like? Here, there's the notebooks here.
I'm not selling it. Someone left their Snickers.
Look, we have to go get Luis V-pad, honey. Cute naman ito. Pencil and eraser set.
Martin, I drew this bubbles outside.
Sure, baby. Oh, Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast. It's just a joke, but if Mr. Beast gives you something like this and bring it 100%, there's $1,000 in it. Mama, can you hold this, Mama?
Sure, baby.
Mama, toys money away. No. How do you get? Oh, that's cool. How do you get this out here, Mama?
Ate, you have to decide, Ate, yeah? Because we have to go. You with that, Paris? Yeah?
Let's
Let's go.
I'm gonna eat
Where did you see that one from, Ate?
YouTube and like they're so popular everywhere.
Yeah.
I literally thought they only sell it in America. 'Cause that's where like they live in America.
Yeah.
And like
She's very happy. Baby.
as soon as like I saw sticky rolls, as soon as I saw the title, I was like, get it! Because I know like these are very popular, and I've like been wanting. I've been wanting it, but I never find them.
Okay, well, you found them. Alright, let's go, my loves. Oh, hold your thing.
Yeah, let's
We'll go
put
get
all
batteries
the
as well.
Stickers in here.
Okay,
It's called Sticky Book.
let's go.
It actually needs like
Batteries, let's go get
about
batteries.
7 rolls. So I can always use it.
Kami sa shop, guys, para bumili ng ayan, training pads ni Louis. This one is on sale, which is really good. And $29.99 and 100. And
Baba.
yeah.
Baba.
Meron silang ganito, guys, naka-sale. Yung labubo, $20. So we'll see. We'll see kung anong laman.
I really want Baba because she looks
We have
so
to do it at home now because we need the screwdriver. We can't open it. Like here. We need a screwdriver. Come on, you open. We'll look.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh, they have a black one.
Look. You go get it.
It's a little help. I need to do a little bit. Celine will do the rest.
Yeah. Look, up there lang. This is dirty lang. Up.
I hope
We'll see kung ano yung laman.
Where's our eyes?
Surprise!
Wait, this is
Which
purple.
one?
Wait, can I see the name?
Which one?
Where's
that?
ZZ. It's ZZ.
Is this it? Maybe?
I have purple.
Oh my Lord.
One.
Oh, there you go, anak.
That's so cute. Let me keep the box on.
Yeah.
The box is so cute. This
Baba
is a real Labubu,
Dada.
Mama. Real Labubus actually have like this little bit on the bottom.
Wow, sana all Paris. Alam na alam. Okay, give it to Lini now, ate. Thank you.
If it has a table, if it has a tail, like it has a different name. It's not Labubu.
Okay, so is this a labubu?
Yeah, this is a Labubu because it doesn't have. This is real. It says Palma.
Okay, give it to Lini. Can you put this in the bin na, ate? Oh, look, because the lady's coming na, nak, to pick up the bag, okay? Throw this to lang. Pundero mo isa kasuga.
Mama. Mama. Look at the book.
See if this works.
It's so cute. Alright, let's open it. See the little sticky ropes.
See
Yeah. The This is amazing, guys. So they have
Nag-unbox ko nga ate Paris, guys, so ginagamit niya yung isang phone ko. Unboxing for more. She really likes,
sticky rolls.
vlogging. Ito mo nina. Like that lang, or like this. This, yeah? There you go.
Pagkakaka yun.
There you go. Alright, now it's just, we're gonna do this.
Oh, Mama, since there's some
No, I
extras
think
here,
this,
can you put them in that little pocket at
I
the
don't think
bottom?
this is the one now. Yeah.
We don't have any more ones. That's only the one we have.
Yeah, no.
Alright,
Let me find-
so we are going to see if we can find any in my new bracelet. It says favorite. Mama, choose another one. We're going to do chat pat. Oh, chat pat. Oh God, I opened it. Alright, let's start it. Okay. hold on. Mama, get the other one. I don't think it even. Here's a sticker for you. Hey, I don't want a sticker. You can have it though. I'll put it. Where are these chocolates? Actually, they don't hurt when you put it on. I'm gonna put this on my arm. That's so cute. Too cute that I just have to. Even though I don't want to. I've got 2 stickers from this too.
A few moments later.
I know. What's Daddy? It's open.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Say hello, Daddy.
Hello. Hey. Oi.